Hello, my fellow Aldi addict. It's Monday. I'm back at Aldi and I have a week of grocery shopping to do. I also have a Walmart pickup and I'll be sharing both hauls with you. I'm excited to get my week of groceries, get into Aldi, see what goodies they have for us. Don't forget, I'll share my meal plan at the end and any recipes I use will be linked below. Let's get into Aldi. Right when I walk in, I see this great collection of kids saucer chairs. They're $20. They're really soft, but forget kids, my cats would love these. I really like this one, and I think it would be funny to put it in my daughter's room and just have her come home with our cats in it, but I don't know that she'd want that much space taken up. She has a smaller room, but they're super cute. I know my cats would love them. Elsie's on her kick still of liking these in her lunch. $1.89. I need a few things in this area. I do need these, $1.95. I also need to get more of the salsa con queso. We're having those tacos tonight that I bought last week, the little frozen guys. Need more of this, $1.99. I'm gonna get 2 pounds of strawberries for lunches this week. They're $2.35 a piece. Last week I didn't check for mold good enough, so I'm checking better. I haven't bought kiwi in a while, so usually when I do that, my kids go nuts for it again. So get kiwi, $3.99. A weekly staple at our house, the mini cucumbers. Not with mold. Gonna look for a non-moldy bag. $1.89. A dozen eggs is $2.05. I need this because I'll use 14. I have a dozen at home still, but I'll use 14 to make my dog's food for 14 days. I need milk at $2.56. Heavy cream at $5.29. I want mini avocados, but these things are hard as rocks again, and they're so green, so I'm gonna pass. I'm gonna make a new black bean recipe, and I need diced tomatoes for it, 89 cents. 82 cents for tomato paste for the same black bean meal. I'm going to get 4 cans of garbanzo beans, 81 cents a piece. I want to start air frying these for a crunchy snack for my girls and for myself, 81 cents a piece. Okay, I'm actually going to get 8 cans of black beans. They are 81 cents a piece. I'm just gonna fill up a tray of cans with my garbanzo beans, but I'm making black beans as a side. I'm making a black bean dinner, and then I use black beans for my dog, so I need a lot. We ran out of celery last week, $1.45. These are $2.69, and my son actually asked for these in his lunch because I was snacking on them. I didn't offer to share. That's the best way to get your kid to try something. Enjoy it and don't offer it to them. I don't see the new ranch from last week, but that spicy ranch was so good. And I need more soy sauce, $1.55. Well, it's a bummer they don't have my son's favorite juice boxes, so I don't know. I think I'll probably get cherry, $2.69. All of these plants look really sad. They look like they've been at my house for a while. They're $8.99. Oh, this is fun. They have mini piñatas, $7.99. Now this is something I'm kind of excited about. So I'm probably going to get this because when I do my Blackstone, I will sometimes make things like a vegetarian version or vegetarian fried rice, meat, and vegetables. And this would be really nice to kind of store stuff in as I bring it in from outside. I don't know. I wish they were a little bigger though. Don't tell my older daughter these are here. Oh, they smell actually. It reminds me of a tanning booth. If you ever used to tan and put tanning oil on, that's what this one smells like. Island Oasis, I guess that makes sense. Let's see. These are really pretty though. I love the presentation of them. Not a fan of this one, but I do like the rest. Really pretty spring tablecloths, only $2.99. Little umbrellas here. Actually, my husband asked me to get him an umbrella I think I'll get him this one. Is that too girly? It does look a little girly. Where's the black, Aldi? Where's the black one? I'm still gonna get it for him. Definitely getting Mother's Day gift vibes here. Keepsake kits, sandals. Ooh. Now I do really like this sandal, but again, they will not have my size in it. $9.99. They have kid sandals, pop-up soccer goals, city toads, little ride-on. My son used to love these Explorer kits, $9.99. So many cool things. Oh, I'm gonna get a soccer ball because we were just having our soccer ball fall apart and my son wants to take one to the park. So this is a nice find. I like that, $8.99. These are so cute, Bum Bums. They're very soft. Lots of different poolside themed stuffies. Because we all know kids need another stuffy in their life. And I'm throwing no shade because my kids have way too many of themselves. Well, these are cute. A glass decorative table. I wonder if they have different decorations. Oh, hard to see because they fall, apparently. Oh, that one has bees. That's really cute. I'm guessing the different colors mean different things. So we saw the flowers, we saw the bees, and this guy is clear. Okay. It's a really good price for them, $12.99. I'm sad to say I'm past my kids using small tools like this, but $3.99, always such a steal. I bought these over the years, like that broom. It's so cute. Now these are really cool. I've never seen walking tamales. I love the packaging on them. They're salsa bean, habanero, roja, and verde. They're kind of on the go. Pretty cool. It looks like Cinco de Mayo stuff. So they have like churro themed Oreos. And then they also have this Mexican style corn, $1.29. I normally make my own refried beans and I probably have some in the freezer, but I'm gonna go easy tonight and I'm just gonna heat this up. I put some shredded cheese on top. I just was walking by and it sounded really good to have refried beans, very easy. The reason we're having this meal tonight is all three of my kids have dentist appointments and then we're going to Sam's Club and I have less time than normal. This will make it easier. 99 cents. I'm going to get some Easy Mac for my son. He's become pickier and pickier. And just sometimes I need something to throw with the fruits and veggies. $3.65. My girls have always been good eaters. I've never understood him being this picky, but I also want him to eat, so this is like a last resort. I need more spaghetti, $1.88. We are running low on shaker parm, and I'm making Alfredo this week, and I use this, $2.95. And I'm also going to have the Alfredo with fettuccine. That makes sense, right? $1.65. I'm using chicken this week, and I do have stuff in my freezer, but if I can find a better price, but these are already expensive and only 30% off, not 50% off, I think I'll stick with my freezer meats. I did not get red sticker chicken, but the beef is all marked down gratefully, so I'm gonna get, well, not all of it, but some of it. I'm going to get this, I believe, 50% off. It is 5.5 pounds. We will get what we want for burger patties and freeze them, and then pull them out before we make them. Oh wait, that's $73.27. My husband does not want that. He wants 80/20, so we'll use one of these. 30% off, not 50, but it's better. Okay, I'm so glad to see they have the Atomic. My daughter really likes these. These are fine. She loves these. $4.19. Now, I don't look at these often. I have bought this and enjoyed this in the past, but I've never noticed that they have tabbouleh. This is something I make frequently when I make like chicken shawarmas. My daughters love this stuff, so do I. Fresh, I think, would be better, but it's interesting to see it here. Yummy. I'm actually hungry, so all this looks pretty good. I had fries or tots on my list, but you know what? We're gonna get these crispy circles. My kids will like those with the smash burgers, $2.79. Yummy. Not always something that they have here. They also have Cornish game hens. We're gonna pass on those. 3 microwavable pouches of jasmine rice for $4.19. I can see why some people would want the convenience, but I use a rice cooker and literally it's the easiest thing ever. I saw the tag before I saw the food. It says the apple or caramel apple or apple berry blossoms, and I was like, yes, please. But this is shrimp, stuffed shrimp, so no thank you. They also have the 3 pepper and onion blend. Always like that in my freezer. Lots of different pizzas. They have a nacho chicken pizza, that's $6.99. Just a nice variety. They have the pesto flatbreads, $3.79. They still have some of the tacos. Oh, here's what I was looking for. I've heard these are amazing, and I think I'm gonna have to try them. Apple berry blossoms, but I would need 5 of them if I want to share with my family. Or I could just make them some night on a date night with my husband. That's what I think I'll do. It'll be a me and honey sweet thing. They're $3.29 a piece. But I'm getting the apple berry. I've heard they're really, really good. They have empanadas over there, and then it's a good thing I bought these last week because they only have 2 bags of veggie and no beef left. My daughter was very excited when I told her I was getting these, so I'm actually going to get another bag because it's hard to have easy vegetarian things on hand for her, and I just know that she'll like having these around, so I'm gonna grab these. They're $5.99, and this is what we're actually having for dinner tonight with the beef and the veggie that I bought last week. These will just be backup. They have fajita chicken. Anytime I bought this, no one in my family really likes to eat it, any of us meat eaters. I just prefer to make chicken. The frozen stuff just never cuts it like that. It always seems a bit gummy. But my husband is a very picky meat eater. Key lime pie. They have their chocolate bars over there, lots of varieties. Popsicles, ice creams, fruit bars, Klondike, lots of goodies. We're having nachos this week. I'm gonna get 2 bags of Mexi cheese. My kids love this stuff. I definitely don't need this much for nachos alone, but they like to have it on salads, quesadillas, lots of things. $2.89. I brought an everything bread from Walmart, and we love to put sliced cheese on it, so I'm gonna get the sharp cheddar, $1.65. We have Swiss on hand, which is what I like, but my husband really likes cheddar. The smoked West guacamole since the avocados were so hard, $2.99. I'm super bummed they have no sparkling waters here, so maybe I will try at a different Aldi when I'm out in that area, but my family was like, don't forget to get us lemon water. Whoops. My husband asked me to get ice cream. It's $5.95. It used to be so inexpensive, but it's at least less than $6.49. Yay, $5.95. They have these really cute indoor-outdoor rugs, lots of different designs, and they look like they're reversible. Only $14.99, which is a great price. They have pillows that match. They have the Shindy rugs, $9.99. Oh, this will be a fun addition after tonight's basic Mexican meal, the little tacos and some black beans. We can have some of these. I'm actually gonna get 2 bags because one of my kids is having friends over, and if you don't know how teens are, they inhale food. And I have a feeling this will be among that category. So I'm gonna get 2 of these at $1.29 a piece. Okay, here is my cart. Any guess on my total? Okay, my total is $113.16. Now we get to see the Walmart haul. Walmart pickup. I just did it. I got 5 ears of corn. Love fresh corn, and my husband's making smash burgers this week. Definitely gonna have corn with that. I got 2 of these giant cans of pumpkin. When I make my dog's dog food that tops her kibble, I use a can of this for 2 weeks worth of her toppers. So I needed 2 cans. Aldi doesn't sell the pumpkin right now anymore, and Walmart does. The guy actually dropped these as he was handing them to me, but they're fluffy. They survived. My husband, for the smash burgers, he wanted specifically sesame seeded buns. I tried going brioche. this is what he wanted. I prefer reusable, but with teenagers, I'd rather them throw this away than my actual reusable containers. So that's something we've been dealing with. I pack pretzels in these right now. I needed more. This is literally one of my favorite Walmart items. They're everything bread. I get this when I have a pickup order. It's probably going to be with the Alfredo night. I'm not sure, but I love me their everything bread. Slice it thin, put butter on it and Swiss cheese or like Gouda or something. So good. And then I got sauces. So I was out of sesame oil, so I got sesame oil. I make a lot of different Asian sauces, drunken noodles, fried rice, lots of different things, and I use sesame oil, and I can't count on it always being at Aldi, so I got this. It'll probably be at Aldi because I ordered it. I got blue agave sriracha because normal sriracha is not available, and I wanted sriracha for our poke bowls. This was the best value, it seemed, so hopefully we like it. We're not too picky when it comes to hot sauces. And then finally, I'm excited to try this, the Japanese barbecue sauce. This is their hot and spicy for our Blackstone. I've learned the hard way. Do not put the sauce on until the very end. I have burnt some sauces. This is what I think will be my remedy. So I'm gonna cook my chicken in oil, and then on top of this, I've seen this in many videos. I'm excited to try it. I did try to get Diet A&W, but they didn't have that. And they didn't even try to substitute me with anything else. So that was I think it cost like $34. Here's the actual number. Did I remember it right? Now let's go home and see the meal plan. Okay, starting with tonight, we are having those frozen tacos, the meat. We have both the beef and the vegetarian versions. I'm gonna have some spiced black beans and chip salsa. We'll have these out, and then we still have a mango from last week. We're going to Applebee's tomorrow. It's my son's spring performance. It's also kids eat for $1.99. So we've been kind of waiting for a Tuesday to do that, and we'll go there tomorrow night. Kind of in celebration of his spring performance and just easier on a busy night. My husband requested Alfredo, so I'm making fettuccine Alfredo. We'll have salads with that. We're gonna have a new black bean pasta recipe. I was looking for more recipes that have beans as the protein. I'm gonna try a new one out. My husband will not eat it, but I'm having it purposely after Alfredo because we'll have leftovers of that, and he would eat that many nights in a row. So that is intentional. Friday, my husband is going to make smash burgers on our Blackstone. We're gonna have the tots with it, or the crispy circles actually, probably kiwi. Also the corn I got from Walmart. Saturday, we're gonna do really easy nachos. We'll be traveling to visit my grandma and grandpa and my mom out of town, so this will be easy to do in a quicker time frame. And then Sunday, I'm gonna make poke bowls. My vegetarian really likes these, and we'll just basically have sushi rice. I'm gonna make chicken on the Blackstone, and then a bunch of different toppings, and you can make them however you want. We have radishes already. We can have cucumbers. I have frozen edamame. So many different things that you can put on and make your own poke bowl. I'm also gonna make a sauce, a poke sauce that goes with it. It'll be yummy. I use Ree Drummond's Alfredo recipe, and if you wanna see a video where someone else makes her recipe, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao down and ciao.